If the cooling fan is making a loud or odd noise, determine where the sound is coming from. If the sound is coming from the fan blade, verify that there is not something caught in the blade or that the blade is not broken. If there is something caught in the fan blade, remove it and determine if this corrects the issue. If the fan has a broken blade, replace the fan. Another source of fan noise could be a bad bearing in the fan. If there is no debris or broken blades and the fan continues to make noise, replace the cooling fan.